To connect Google Sheets to ClickUp, start by opening a spreadsheet in your browser, then go to Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and select Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. That's the one centralized place where you'll find the tool that bridges the two services. What you're essentially doing here is installing a browser extension that acts as a translator between your spreadsheet and your ClickUp workspace, so you can eventually import tasks, export data, or sync information without having to manually jump between tabs. If this sounds useful for your workflow, please take a second to like and subscribe, and let's walk through the rest of the setup so you never miss a step. Once the marketplace loads, use the search bar near the top to type ClickUp and press enter. You'll see several extensions pop up, and this is where a little research pays off. Look at the overall rating, the number of downloads, and especially the last updated date. A frequently updated extension is a sign it's being maintained and should work reliably with the latest versions of both Google Sheets and ClickUp. Some extensions are designed to pull ClickUp tasks into rows in your sheet. Others can push spreadsheet rows back into ClickUp as new tasks, and some offer full two-way sync. Pick the one that matches the kind of work you do most often. If you mainly need to generate reports from your tasks, a reporting-focused extension makes sense. If you're mass-creating tasks from a list, choose one built for exports. Click on your chosen extension to open its detailed page. Read the description carefully, paying attention to supported ClickUp features, for instance. Does it handle custom fields, subtasks, or attachments? Also check whether the core features are free or require a subscription, because many extensions offer a limited free tier with a monthly cap on imports or exports. Review the privacy information and user reviews to confirm others have had a smooth experience. If everything looks good, hit install. Google will ask you to confirm the account where your spreadsheet lives, then show a permission window. You'll see the extension requesting access to view and edit your spreadsheets, display a sidebar, and connect with your ClickUp account. These are standard permissions that allow it to function. Without them, it can't read your data or send anything back. But always read the list so you know exactly what you're granting. Click Allow, wait a few seconds for the installation to finish, then close the marketplace window. Now return to your spreadsheet. Even though the extension is technically installed, you might not see it in the menu right away. Refresh the page by pressing F5 or clicking your browser's reload button. This forces Google Sheets to reload all its add-ons. Then click Extensions again, and you should see your new ClickUp extension listed. If you don't see it, try closing and reopening the spreadsheet entirely. Sometimes a hard reload is necessary. Once it appears, click on it and choose the option that says Open, Launch, or Start. The extension will typically open a sidebar on the right side of your sheet, which becomes your control panel for the integration. Inside that sidebar, look for a Sign In or Connect button and click it. A new browser window will pop up, taking you to ClickUp's login page. If you're already logged into ClickUp in another tab, your account may be detected automatically. Otherwise, enter your email and password and complete any two-factor authentication if your organization requires it. ClickUp will then ask you to authorize the extension, showing you the permissions it needs, usually access to your workspaces, spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Review these, then click Allow or Authorize. The window will close or redirect you back to your spreadsheet. After authorization, the extension will fetch your ClickUp workspaces. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll be prompted to pick one. Some extensions also let you select a specific space, folder, or list to work with by default. Choose the workspace you plan to use most often, and the extension will load your project structure. You should start seeing your spaces, folders, lists, and maybe recent tasks appear in the sidebar. If you see your profile name or profile picture, that's your confirmation that the connection is live and working. At this point, click Finish Setup or Save Connection if the extension offers that option. Some extensions remember your login automatically, others require you to save explicitly. To double check, close the sidebar by clicking the X on it, then reopen it from the Extensions menu. If your ClickUp data loads immediately without asking you to sign in again, you're golden. Browse through the displayed workspaces and lists. If everything looks correct, your spreadsheet is now connected and ready for imports, exports, or sync actions. As you use the integration, keep a few key points in mind. Always install from the official Google Workspace Marketplace and check that the extension has been updated recently. Outdated extensions can break when ClickUp or Google Sheets updates its API. If you ever need to switch to a different workspace or reconnect a different ClickUp account, most extensions have a Settings or Switch Account option inside the sidebar. If you stop using the integration, it's smart to disconnect the extension from inside the sidebar and also revoke its permissions through your Google account or ClickUp account settings. Disconnecting doesn't delete any data, it just removes the authorization, which is a good security practice. You've now successfully linked your Google Sheets to ClickUp, which means you can start moving your project data between the two tools without the manual copy-paste headache. Spend a few minutes exploring the extension's documentation or settings. Many offer advanced features like bulk task creation, custom field mapping, or scheduled syncs that can save you even more time. If you found this helpful, consider saving this video or bookmarking these steps so you can revisit them whenever you set up a new workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.